Most people will still be broke in 2026, trading hours for dollars. Meanwhile, a few quietly let money work for them while they sleep. Which one will you be? Imagine watching everyone else struggle, while your money grows silently in the background. Picture this. You wake up in 5 years. Your bank account grew overnight. Bills are paid. Stress is low. Freedom finally feels real. Most beginners waste time chasing trends, hype, and shortcuts that never work. But a few discover hidden systems. Quiet strategies that work year after year, month after month, without drama. Tonight, you'll learn 8 passive ideas that actually work in 2026. Beginner-friendly, budget-conscious, practical, and capable of compounding quietly while you live your life. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start small, stay consistent, and let money build your freedom. Here's the harsh truth. Most beginners sabotage themselves before they even start. They delay investing, thinking they need thousands. Truth, $50 can snowball into thousands over time. They chase trends. Crypto 1 week, stocks the next, shiny startups the week after. Result, stress, confusion, zero growth. They ignore fees, credit cards, loans, brokerage commissions, slowly eating away their money. A 25-year-old, Alex, spent 3 years flipping NFTs, lost 90% of his capital. Anxiety grew every day. Meanwhile, a friend invested $100 in Dividend ETFs. 3 years later, over $15,000 quietly earned. You don't need to be rich to start. The biggest mistake isn't investing too little. It's not starting at all. Wealth is really glamorous at first. It's boring. Most people expect fireworks. But compounding is silent. It's delayed. You might not see results for months, even years. It's invisible. Friends spend on vacations, gadgets, fancy cars. Meanwhile, your money quietly multiplies. Wealth demands sacrifices, late nights learning, small daily deposits, resisting instant gratification. Envy is everywhere. People buying expensive gadgets feel richer, but they are trapped in stress. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it daily. Nothing grows above soil for months, but under the surface, roots strengthen. By the time it sprouts, it's strong, unshakable. That's how money works. The visible results come later, but the foundation grows quietly. Here are 8 passive ideas that actually work in 2026. Dividend stocks and ETFs. Buy companies that pay consistent dividends. $100, 3 to 7% yearly return. In 10 years, $16,000 to $20,000 quietly earned. High interest savings or digital banks. Online banks offering 4 to 5% interest. Your money grows automatically while you sleep. Safe, steady, beginner-friendly. Rental properties or REITs. Real estate doesn't have to be hands-on. REITs let you invest small amounts, $500 or less, while collecting rental income indirectly. Peer-to-peer lending. Carefully vetted platforms, 5 to 10% returns. Spread risk across multiple loans to minimize losses. Automated online stores or print on demand. One-time setup. Products sell automatically. Digital goods, merchandise, templates. Create once, earn forever. Royalties and digital assets. Music, ebooks, stock photos. Produce once, earn indefinitely. An ebook selling $5 brings $60. Do this across multiple assets, it adds up. Crypto staking or passive yield. Use stable, vetted tokens to earn interest. Not hype coins. Let your crypto work while you focus elsewhere. Micro investing and cash back apps. Round up your daily purchases. Invest the spare change. Tiny steps, big growth over years. $50 in ETFs at 7% yearly return. Year 1 $600 invested, $42 gained. Year 5 approximately $3,500. Year 10 approximately $9,300. All from small, consistent deposits. Patience is the secret multiplier. Even with these ideas, most people fail. They quit too soon. One deep, one bad month, panic. They mix too many strategies, lose focus. They underestimate compounding. $1,000 for 10 years, $120,000. Most never realize the power of small repeated actions. Pick one system. Stick with it. Let it grow quietly. Ignore the noise. Money is time. Money is freedom. Money is survival. Each dollar invested is a soldier building your empire. Each delayed coffee, each micro saving, is a brick in your fortress. Ignoring this is like watching a train leave the station, knowing your seat is empty. 5 years from now, your peers, still trading hours for dollars. You, sleeping, traveling, creating, living life while money quietly works. It's not luck, it's who you choose to become. The fearful wait for permission. The strategic takes small, consistent steps, gaining control. Even $50, $100, or less starts the chain reaction. Tiny decisions compound into freedom. Ask yourself, will you look back in 10 years and regret not starting? Or smile at the quiet streams of income you built? If you want to see exactly how to structure each passive stream, with timelines, realistic projections, beginner-friendly setups, subscribe. Watch the next video. Learn the invisible systems most beginners never hear about. Most people will ignore this video. Most will, but the ones who act quietly will outpace friends, colleagues, even family. By 2026, you can watch money slip away, or quietly let it grow while you live your life. Every day you wait, your opportunity fades. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial freedom quietly unfold.